Gentlemen, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna tell you about the Wartime Gallantry Awards awarded in India. The conclusion of British rule in India saw the end of the old institution of British awards and honors. British awards were basically made to please the anti-India elements. So after independence, India changed this practice and introduced the first three gallantry awards, namely first one the Veer Chakra, second one the Mahavir Chakra, and the third one the Paramveer Chakra. These awards were instituted by the Government of India on 26th of Jan 1950, which were deemed to have effect from the 15th of August 1947. These gallantry awards are announced twice in a year. First one on the occasion of Republic Day and the second one on the occasion of Independence Day. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about all the three current wartime gallantry awards awarded in India. So let's get started. At number 1, Veer Chakra. It is India's third highest military wartime gallantry award. It replaced Distinguished Service Cross, Military Cross and Distinguished Flying Cross. The medal is circular in shape and of standard silver. The symbol of state emblem is in the center part of it. On the back side, Veer Chakra has been inscribed in Hindi and English with two lotus flowers. The ribbon is half blue and half orange in color. There are total of 1,328 recipients of the Veer Chakra. It was firstly awarded in 1947 and the last one was awarded in 2021. At number 2, Mahavir Chakra. The Mahavir Chakra is the second highest military decoration in India and is awarded for acts of conspicuous gallantry in the presence of enemy, whether on land, at sea or in the air. It replaced the British Distinguished Service Order. The medal may be awarded posthumously. The medal is circular in shape and made of standard silver. The state emblem is embossed in the centerpiece. On the reverse, it will have embossed Mahavir Chakra both in Hindi and English with two lotus flowers. The ribbon is half white and half orange in color. There are total of 220 recipients of the Mahavir Chakra. It was firstly awarded in 1947 and the last one was awarded in 2021. At number 3, Paramveer Chakra. It is India's highest military wartime gallantry award, awarded for displaying extraordinary valor in the presence of enemy. Paramveer Chakra means wheel or the cross of ultimate brave. Paramveer Chakra is a bronze medal. On the obverse, 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra with the state emblem embossed in the center. On the reverse side, it has embossed Paramveer Chakra both in Hindi and English with 2 lotus flowers. The whole disc is suspended from a suspension bar with a purple ribbon through it. The first Paramveer Chakra was awarded to Major Somnath Sharma posthumously for his exemplary courage. There are only 21 people who have been awarded with this rare honor, out of which 20 were from the Indian Army and 1 from Indian Air Force. It was firstly awarded in 1947 and the last one was awarded on 6 July 1999.